Okay, here we go. So this is the laptop, this is the bag which they have given. Let's see the detail, what details are there in the laptop. It's a 5000 series 5401. These are the specs. We'll just see the specs after opening the box. So let's open the bag. So I'm doing unboxing by myself, so I have to be here for a while. Okay, it's done. Now let me open it. Is there any t-shirts? No, that's a different thing. How to open? Okay. So this is the cable. A cable for connecting. Let's keep it there. This is the another part of charger. Adapter basically. Keep it there. What else? Where's the laptop? I need a laptop. Oh my gosh. It's good they have given they're shipping it with care. So actually I have ordered 1 week back. It took around 2 weeks. So I have ordered it around 30th of July, and I have ordered it from the online, the online Dell store. It took around 2 weeks. So first, when they take your order, they will just they will approve whether you have paid the money or not. When it's approval is done, they will do the build. So they will do a build only when you give the order. It's not like pre-built setups are done and they will sell you. So once the order is confirmed, they will do the build, then they will do the shipping. Build, assemble, and then shipping. So shipping takes around 7 to 10 days. So right now I'm in Singapore, and the product is coming from the China through the Malaysia. So it's been built in the China and got assembled around in the Malaysia, and then they are shipping it. So that's what they told me, the guy who was selling me the laptop. So this is the laptop which you are seeing. It looks good. It looks good. Let me I have unwrapped it. Now it's time to open and see how does it looks like. Ooh, the metallic finish. This looks good. Let me check whether there is anything else in the box or not. Did they give any sort of t-shirts, free goodies? They have already given the bag, so no such hard expectation, but still, let's have a look. So there is a pamphlet like any other electronics product, how to use. So like everyone, I'm just keeping it aside, and there's nothing inside the box. So let's keep the box aside and see what this laptop is, how this laptop. So this is the laptop. This looks like a metallic finish on the top. This is basically the rubber. I think this will be very much helpful when you're sliding the laptop. When you're keeping it on the table, there are many instances when you have to move the laptop here and there. So this will be more acting as a friction while sliding the laptop. This is the back look of the laptop. You can see these are speakers. I have not tested so far their sound quality, but here we will we'll test it. So let me open it. So this is um, the thumb impression. Okay, this is the same key. I think I need to press. Okay, so I was using the Dell Vostro of like 3000 series. They have this power button here, so I was like looking for a power button, but it's this one. Good. So it got opened in like few seconds. Unfortunately, I haven't counted how many seconds it takes a while to open. So I'm a Linux user, not a Windows user. So I'll see like they have given the laptop with a pre-installed window. How that window works out, then I have to like reinstall the Linux. So
Hi there.
if you
I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
Thank you.
A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen.
You can speak.
If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
Her voice is sweet, so I'll let her speak. I'm not gonna mute her.
Singapore. Is that right?
Yes.
Your keyboard is set to United States International. Want to stick with that?
Since I'm from India, I should take a English India. Let's take a United States International.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
Not exactly.
Now let's get you connected to a network.
Okay.
That way you can get updates.
So this is a metallic finish. Oh my gosh, they have like given some. Okay, from here, the thing which you are seeing here, from here I think the air will go out. Yeah, it's for the air. It's when the fan is rotating, like this is the place where the air will go out. And on the side, when you see, like this is a power cord, and this is like for the mouse SDMI, right? This is for the mouse or keyboard, extra keyboard, whatever, or maybe you can insert a USB stick. And here also, here we have one on the left side. The circle one is for the earphone or for the headphone, this one, and another one is for the USB stick, and another slot is for the SD card, this one. So this is a metallic finish made up of plastic. This one is made up of plastic, but these looks like this is actually made up of aluminum. Okay. Window license agreement, so I have to accept it without reading it. Anyway, let's accept it. Just looks like good. It's well suited on the hand. Enter a valid email address, the phone number. Okay, I'll enter my email address. Keyboard seems to be good also while typing. I like it. Okay, I did the setup. Setup took a while. Like, I think I need to install my Ubuntu on this laptop, because I'm a developer and I'm not comfortable with using the Windows. Like from last 6-7 I haven't used the Windows, so I'll just check how this window works, what are the features, setup, the email address, and my detailed setup here. And I'll talk about the laptop. This laptop looks edgy. It's a good thing. It looks a bit, it's slim but not that slim. If I just show you like this, you can see from here this is how it looks like. This is kind of quite handy when you're a business person, when you're like taking a laptop and traveling. It will look good, right? So this looks good. from the back. So these are the two hinge. I don't know about the how the UX team of the Dell has thought, like this looks a bit kind of sketchy, because when you open the laptop, right, when you open the laptop, and you'll see, I hope this will last. So this laptop I have taken with like 3 years of warranty, and this is the maximum tilt you can have. Usually I don't use the maximum, so this is more like this is how I'll use the laptop. So when you see from the corner, right, when you see from the corner, from the back, you will realize that this could have been improved, right, this could have been improved, right, this hinge setup. So this looks, and see here, this is how it looks like. I hope this will last. It's like maybe this was the part of the Dell just to test how this new setup looks like. So this is the laptop, and this is i5 processor. Let me show you the detail. This is i5 processor, 14th i5 processor, 14 inch, 10th gen. These are like the clock speed, 8 GB RAM, 64-bit. Like nowadays everyone is coming with 64-bit. SD webcam, dual microphone. So I've tested the internet, right? I have opened few stuff. Let me show you. Let me open YouTube and play the sound also. Some sound, you will see what's the quality of the sound. So this is the backlight, which is like kind of quite interesting. This is very much helpful. So I'm gonna play some song. These are like a Korean pop songs. Let's play anyone and see what is the sound. This is the maximum. This is good, and this is the FSD panel. Like your eye will have a less strain, so you can work for like a longer period of time. It's good. So I'll describe like what it has given once again. So this is like 14 inch Inspiron 5000 like series, like 5401 model number. FSD panel, platinum silver. Yeah, I have already checked. SSD slides, 256 GB RAM. Yeah, I have seen that, 256 GB RAM. So let me close it. Yeah, you can see from here, right? And what else? Mac free 30 days trial. I don't need that. I don't know what to do since I'm gonna installing the Linux, so there I don't need this antivirus stuff. 65-watt AC adapter. Yes, this is the adapter. I have not tested the adapter. I'll test. Hopefully this will work. Like they won't be sending any random stuff. Yeah, it's a Dell Cinema Color additional software Window 10. This is also which I don't need. OS Media Kit not included. That's fine. Energy Star qualified second SSD bracelet. Stereo speaker. Speaker is good. So yeah, I feel like this laptop is quite good. Now let's come to the question how much I have bought this laptop. So this costs around like 1100 Singapore dollar. So if you are living in India, you can convert it, and if you are living in States or any other country, you can convert. So for me, it costed around 1100 Singapore dollar. Guys who are buying this laptop online, I would suggest to buy it from the Dell website. I have bought it from the Dell website, and if you ask for discount, they may give you an additional discount. So try to like ask more. Asking is never bad. So the price was something around 1150 or 1199, and it got discounted like little bit less to 1100. On an average, it's around 1100 Singapore dollar. So this is quite good. The battery is of like 4 cell, and yeah, this is the review of the Dell laptop. If you have any sort of questions, you can write it down on the chat. I'll address those questions. I make video tutorials around the blockchain and some tech, the programming related tech. If you're interested into those stuff, you guys can let us know. You guys can subscribe the channel. And if you want a second review of this laptop, like after 1 week or after 1 month, just to know like after a while how does this laptop performs, you can write it down on the chat. I will create another video on it. Till now, bye bye, see you guys. This is the bag which they provide you. So you can see here, this is the Dell bag, backpack 15, like up to 15-inch laptop they can accommodate. This is how it looks like. So usually when you're ordering the laptop from the States, they are not going to give you any warranty or the bag, but it depends on country, which country you are ordering. And in States, the cost of laptop is also cheap. So since I'm living in Singapore, here it's not as cheap as States. So, but the good thing is they are giving a free bag, which I don't need. I already have the bag, as well as they are giving a warranty also, which is much more needed. So when I was ordering the laptop, I asked them like, can I skip the bag and get some more discount? So they told no, I'll give you the discount, but the bag will be included. I told okay, fine, that's great then. So this is, oops, let me open it. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. It's kind of pretty basic, but it's classy. It looks good. So yeah.